When a man was cutting down a tree, he accidentally injured a little squirrel. The squirrel not only didn't hold a grudge, but also repaid them in this way. The poor little squirrel had a broken leg and was put in a cast. They took it home to care for it. The man felt very guilty and promised to take full responsibility. To help it recover, he trained the squirrel every day. The little squirrel was very diligent and soon recovered completely. Even his girlfriend couldn't help but kiss it because it was just too cute. Since the squirrel was wild, they decided to release it back into nature. The following day, they were shocked when they opened the door to find a lot of pine cones mysteriously dropped down. Looking up, they realized it was a gift from the little squirrel. Although the pine cones weren't worth much, they were the most precious things in the squirrel's eyes.